Not sure how to start your CV? LiveCareer's expert CV examples can guide you every step of the way. Find the right example for your job title or industry. LiveCareer offers 100-plus CV samples for every role, from accounting to IT, healthcare, sales, and more. Study the structure. Each sample shows you exactly how to organize your contact info, summary, skills, experience, education, and extras like awards or publications. Use the wording as inspiration. Borrow strong action verbs and phrases to describe your own achievements, but always make it unique to you. Tailor your CV for each job. Add relevant keywords from the job ad, and focus on the skills and accomplishments that matter most for your target position. Download, edit, and apply. LiveCareer lets you edit examples in the CV Builder and download in multiple formats, so your application is ready in minutes. Here are some pro tips. Start with a pre-formatted template, quantify your achievements, and use action verbs to stand out. Explore CV examples for every profession at LiveCareer and build your job-winning CV today.